Hey guys, I know it's probably my third video today, fourth probably, whatever, but I have a lot of things in my brain that I'm thinking about, and volleyball. Everything is getting on my nerves, and I can't keep track of everything. So, and school's coming up, so that's going to be even harder with my volleyball, homework, projects. Just everything's going to be very hard to keep up with. You know, maybe there's a birthday party, an event. Everything's going to be very hard to keep up with. So, I decided to make a planner. Without going out and buy one for like $8, you can make one for $0. Depending on if you have these already at home. This can only take up to maybe, for all of these materials, if you just go and buy it now, maybe $8. Maybe even $5. So, you can go to a local craft store and get these little letters. They have to be very small. They have to be. And then you need one of these peel and stick little papers. So you're going to need one of these. My nose. Okay. So you're going to need one of those. You are going to need a notebook. Mine is a one subject, so it's 70 pages. And some scrapbooking paper. So, let's come down. Okay. So, okay. So I have this here, and it's upside down with the spiral not too far. Okay, and I'm cutting now. Okay. So, I got that. And you might need and you're going to need some markers. Okay, and some scissors, I think I said. Okay, then you're going to also need an X-Acto knife and a little thing. Okay, and you're just going to get your thing and cut down. Ah, okay. Well, if it does not work for you, just cut it. Get it as straight as possible, guys. I'm serious. It's not going to look good like you want it to. So then just place it on there. Oh, and I almost forgot to say, you are going to need any type of glue, really. Wet glue, glue stick would work. I'm cleaning my binder. I'm getting a glue stick. This is Crazy Art. I prefer like Elmer's. Let me get my Elmer's one. Elmer's washable glue stick. It's I think a purple. Yeah, it's a purple, but I still really like it. So, you know, a glue stick's a glue stick, and it's disappearable. So, then I'm just putting it all along there. Trying to get it everywhere, on the edges especially, because you know the edges are very tough. So then I'm placing that right there. Hold on, I'll be right back. What? Oh, I'll be there in a minute. I'm very sorry about that. That was my mother calling me for dinner, so I'm going to try to quick it up. Okay, so now you're going to get this little label. It's called a label. and you're going to put it on there wherever you want. Okay? Okay, and I put mine upside down, so try not to do that. Okay? And then you're going to paint it whatever color you want. Okay, so it's like that. Then let it dry, and you're going to go with the stickers, and you're going to write planner. This is very hard. Eee. Okay. Pull. Trying to find my R's. Doesn't really have it. Okay, and so I'm putting my last sticker on. So then there's your planner. So I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.